The first one is this, and second one is this. There is these are two of tattoos. It's a kind of reservation, not a reservation. It's kind of a security guard of my this farm. They will stop the Duker without living kind of things because they are not alive, partly non living thing, but it is kind of the you know what is that? So एक मन को तसल्ली है, क्या बोल रही है इसको मन जो वहाँ लगा दिया है कि नहीं कोई तो है खेत देख रहा है दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज गोइंग ऑन एंड आई एम गोइंग very good morning along with the sunshine, along with the morning dew on pea farm, and I'm here. I came here to keep an eye on the sprinklers, and Ajay this side, very good morning. The day has started, and it's time to 8 a.m. at morning, and this is my day 35. It's going good. Not going good. So far, it's going good, and that's it. And in so में मेरा हाथ वहीं अटका है, like my tongue is stuck in between so and end. तो थोड़ा सा मेहरबानी प्लीज़ कि मैं अवॉइड कर पाऊँ. Nothing is special is going on. I have to keep an eye on this sprinkler. Then after I will go to again towards the well side, water well side, and now is the bleach of the wind is started. Not a storm kind of things. It's a like but very crisp air is blowing now. Yeah, motor has started, and I will have to keep an eye just a while. That's it. I think water has came. Yeah, our water has came. Just a while, they will begin to rotate. Yeah, now it's 100% done. I hope this sprinklers works according to my expectation, but it's not working because it is not rotating. So nobody. I don't have idea. But this sprinkler is not rotating. The problem is that I had opened the one kind of what is the call? I don't know what is the call, but one kind of this one. This kind of one I had opened of that one. That's why it is not rotating. Now I don't know it will rotate or not, but I will have to fix it again. And I don't have my improvisation, so I will not shoot. I will shoot without any my improvisation. Let's see. Like sorry, I get like I put out this one. So this is also the part of this singler, and that one when I like open it, the bigger one, that's why it was not rotating. So yeah, this is my day 35 to filming itself is going good or bad, I don't know, because the further things is unpredictable, so I wouldn't say it's like a good or thing. But yeah, I meet you soon. I will go towards the well side, or then yeah, I'm totally wetted now. This morning मुझे अभी भी गीला हो गया. I came here like actually I have to go over there, and hence the tattoo here is like yesterday I the first one is this, and second one is this. There is these are two of tattoos. It's a kind of reservation, not a reservation. It's kind of a security guard of my this farm. They will stop the Duker without living kind of things because they are not alive, partly non-living thing, but it is kind of the what is that? So एक मन को तसल्ली है, क्या बोल रही है इसको मन जो वहाँ लगा दिया है कि नहीं कोई तो है खेत देख रहा है this kind of thing is going on, and I'm going to turn on this well, and then Mummy ji will start the motor, like I had told her to she will start the motor, and I have to just turn on the wall, and over there I have to turn off, and even I have to change the sprinklers at evening, like both of farms, like in a first one in a garlic also, and second one in a wheat farm also. So both of there I will do this work, and little bit I will arrange the in a downside of my upon the downside of my house, like in a wheat farm. So because the lack of water is going on, there is a shortage of water, and that's why now we will have to, like I will have to arrange the sprinklers to sort due to water. So ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है, पर मेरा नहीं है, मेरे को थक जाता हूँ कभी कभी. जैसे yesterday over मारो, I slept, I had slept very early, like in a 8 something, 8 9 8 p.m. something, because I'm totally frustrated or tired with my 9 8 morning, and this is my day 35 following itself. So I had gone there, and I'm just coming, and I'm just still walking. So the voltage is totally dropped out. It's not up to the mark, and the motor is throwing the water like us. Running the water is a very low, so it is not good. Not good is a good. Not good. Not good. So yeah, this kind of thing is going on, and I have to come again, but I have to turn on the this one in a bit farm wall. So now I'm going over there now. So I has like sorry, I have gone once time, and now is the second time also. So I'm going. So it's little bit hard, like not hard, but it's in my habitual day by day. I'm a habitual of like walking around 9 to 10 kilometers per day. It's a normal for me. It's not a big deal, and that's why my walking speed is too high rather than to others. I came here turning on the motor, and now it's like that is going on. So I have to keep on eye for 2 and 3 minutes. I will have been waiting for 2 and 5 minutes here, and then after I will go to home. Otherwise it will has the open pipe anywhere. It is a very rare thing, and it is not good for us, not good for me, because the water like the water will have wastage in any place. Not a wastage, it will not go to wastage, but no, the now like a shortage of water, the lack of water is going on. So that's why we are using this sprinklers, and this water is coming on me. I have to, oh buddy, ये बहुत किनारे हो गया, मैं गीला हो गया थोड़ा सा. कुछ ना, मैं उसका इलाज ऐसे करता हूँ, मैं इनको थोड़े से टिंट कर दूंगा सर, थोड़ा सा झुका दूंगा, तो वो पानी मेंट तक नहीं जाएगा. थोड़ा सा दिमाग बस चालू रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर इज़ नॉट गुड. So just a tint of like this and this. So the way of water like this now is like this or now this. So yeah, it's working. So I have to go again the side, and the kind of the bleach of the wind is going on. It's a little bit high. That's why the water is coming on the main. I don't know the border coming. Yeah, it's coming on the border. It is not good because this is a wastage of water. On the border is not needed that much water. तो यही प्रॉब्लम है कि दिन में जैसे मोटर चालू होती है, जैसे सुबह, ये पानी फिर से यहाँ आ रहा है. ये तो मेरे ऊपर आ रहा है. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं आज, और टेढ़ा करा जाए. और टिंट कर दूंगा मैं उसको. बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकेगा, क्योंकि पाइप खुल जाएगा फिर. मेरे फ़ोन पे पानी आ गया. मेरे कैमरे पे पानी आ गया, फ़ोन पे भी पानी आ गया. इट्स नॉट गुड. बट वो उससे क्या एरिया कवर नहीं करेगा, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. बट they will begin to rotate, and now sorry, they begin to rotate. घूमने लगे just अंदर. I will not use will. Okay. That's it. I meet you soon. 20 minutes left to 12 p.m. at afternoon, and now it's a good morning. It's a morning. So I'm here in this field, and In a downside of the house, the electricity has gone, and this side of motor is since since at 9:30, 9:45 something, like as a 9:30 something, it had been working, but just a while ago I have turned it off them, and now I'm here to uproot the grass for my buffaloes, and rest of things like I have done, like I dunked the water 12:15 p.m. at afternoon, and I uprooted this one, like that one, sorry this one, and अब मैं इतना लेके घर जाऊँगा। इससे ज़्यादा मेरी कैपेसिटी तो है, पर मुझे और भी काम है घर जाके। मैं इधर बाद में आके काम कर लूँगा ये वाला चारे का। तो मुझे इसको बांधना है 1 बाय 1। ज़्यादा है नहीं, ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं है, तो मैं इसको ओवर द हेड पे ले जाऊँ, ऐसा लाइक laying like on my best or just what. Hey, hi. 10 minutes left to 4 p.m. at afternoon, and this is my day 35 is going on. So I have again this one, only this one. Let's go with our improvisation, not improvisation. I make the main, not I make the main, but yeah, I will make the main as a non-living man, and he or she might be anything. It will protect my my farm. So I'm just looking for some stick, wooden stick, not a stick, only stick. मैंने जो कल लगाया था, like I had put it one, he just fell down. I think he gonna be frustrated. It gonna be tedious. It gonna be like a say like a what should I say, like a it's like a frustrated with this work. That's why it is not a far away from the house, so anyone can come at here and to keep an eye in a night at a night. Because of that, there's no kind of too much fear about that, like a road or something. It's not far away. And here is the like a footprint of a jungly sukarki. So this one I put it here, and this or that one I will put it over there. I keep it. Now it's time to. मुझे स्टिक नहीं मिल रहा है लंबा सा। पता नहीं 3-4 हो गए हैं, 2-3 इधर, एक इधर और मैं इधर। आई एम अ लाइव पर्सन, लाइक आई एम अलाइव एंड दे डोंट लिविंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग। हाँ, डोंट लिविंग नहीं, या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, सॉरी, डोंट लिविंग थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दे आर। सो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स ऑल्सो आई पुट इट हियर। ये जो एरिया यहाँ से दिख रहा है, ये टोटली डुकस का गया हुआ है, वो यहाँ से गई होगी, कभी ना कभी गई होगी, इसलिए अब ये सिर्फ मन की तसल्ली के लिए है। लगा दो तो रह जाए तो ठीक, नहीं रहे तो ठीक। वैसे भी जिसकी मर्जी हो तो रोक ही कौन सकता है। I have to change the sprinklers. First I will change sprinklers, then yeah, both of sides I have to do. तो पहले वो करना है, फिर उसके बाद I complete this one. I have needed only one, so this one I will put it here. I will put there's the thing only needed one, because this is the only two sides of the area is a big. Otherwise everything is a 16 sprinklers is sufficient. Otherwise needed only needed this side. Actually नीड भी नहीं पड़ेगी, यदि से लास्ट में डबल ही चलाना है, सिंगल चलाना है, तो मैं उसको निकाल के लाके लगा सकता हूँ और मुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। बट उधर मस्ट नीडेड है कि डबल स्प्रिंकलर चलने चाहिए पीछे, क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो डबल स्नोजल का स्टेरिंग होता है वो तो किसी का नहीं होगा। चलिए आप चलते हैं फिर से अपने मिशन पे। इसको लगाना भी नेसेसरी नहीं है, मुझे वहाँ के स्प्रिंकलर चेंज करने हैं। मैं वहाँ के स्प्रिंकलर चेंज करके सिर्फ जितने बड़े बड़े किसी का पैजामा है, जितने बड़े बड़े चीज़ें हैं, मतलब कि इट मीन्स लाइक दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज बिगर, लाइक एज दिस नेट और दिस काइंड ऑफ हट्टी। मेरी शर्ट होगी सारी फट गई है, इसलिए तो मेरी होगी। फटे कपड़े पहनना इज नॉट सो नेसेसरी। मैं भी फटे कपड़े पहनता हूँ, खेती कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हेयर टू शो ऑफ टू समवन समथिंग। गर्दन किधर गई? गर्दन इधर। बाहर इधर है. Yes. Now it's 1. Okay. Now it's perfect. Yeah. So it was my day 35. It was good, and yeah. Along with this, I would like to say goodbye. I will meet you on tomorrow on my day 36. So stay tuned and take care and bye bye. That's it.